Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert logo to your videos in CapCut. So in here, I've already import a video into CapCut, and to easily add a logo, you can just use the overlay feature on CapCut. So click on the overlay, add overlay, then select your logo. So for example, this is the logo that I want to add. You can adjust the size and also the positions to your liking. I'm going to put it on the top right corner, top left corner of my video like this, for example. And don't forget to adjust the length of the logo to match with the duration. And if you want to make it transparent, you can go to splice and lower its opacity like this, or you can also use the mode, change the mode on the splice. You can also find the opacity option and lower it down like this. Click on the check icon and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.